In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails through Apollo.io using Apollo templates. This process is not only efficient, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing you to manage emails professionally and effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Apollo homepage. If you're not already familiar, Apollo.io is a platform designed to enhance your sales processes by automating certain aspects and providing useful tools such as email templates to boost productivity. Once you've reached the homepage, locate and click on the Emails section. This is your central hub for managing all email-related activities within Apollo IO. Next, you'll want to move on to the Templates section. Templates in Apollo are pre-designed email formats that you can customize to your needs, making your communication consistent and polished. Once you're in the Templates section, look for the option to create a new template. Here, you'll be crafting the exact email format you wish to use when reaching out to your leads. Now, it's time to give your template a unique name. This will help you recognize it easily in your list of templates. Naming it aptly, perhaps with a reference to the specific type of email or campaign it will be used for, is a handy practice. After entering the name, consider adding some tags if needed. Tags are especially useful if you plan to create multiple templates, as they help in organizing and retrieving them swiftly when needed. With your template named and tagged, proceed to the subject line. Crafting a captivating and direct subject line is crucial, as it's the first thing recipients notice. Make it engaging but succinct, ensuring it reflects the email's content accurately. Then head over to the body section to compose the main content of your email. Here's where you can inject personality, ensuring your message aligns with your brand's tone and is clear to the recipient. After you've filled in the template details, click the Save button to preserve your creation. This action ensures your template is securely stored for future use. Once saved, navigate over to the Lists section. This is where you can manage your contacts and leads, essentially the people you will be emailing. Select your leads list, which should have the names and contact details of the individuals you intend to reach out to. From here, choose the specific contacts you'd like to email. To do this, click on the email icon located at the top of your screen. This will open up the option to use your newly created template. Simply click on Use Template, and then select the template you just made from the list. Finally, decide whether you'd like to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling can be especially useful for sending emails at optimal times for engagement. That's it. You've now learned how to effectively send emails through Apollo.io using templates, enhancing your efficiency and communication with potential leads.